Good morning, guys. So my birthday is on Monday. Does jig, and I kind of last minute decided that I wanted to do something, and I planned like a mini road trip with me and my friends. So the first stop is here where we are. Well, this is the parking lot, and it's called Puzzle It. So it's an escape room in Jamaica, and yeah, so this is the first stop. So it's gonna be 6 of us today, and we're gonna try and escape this room. So when I was calling to make the reservation, the man was like, oh, I recommend you guys do, because there's 3 rooms: Ward 21, Rum Hangover, and this other room that you can do with a like larger group. And the man was like, for first timers, I recommend you guys do Rum Hangover, because that one's, you know, people tend to solve that one, and Ward 21 people don't get, you know, don't escape the room. And I was just like, all right, let's do Ward 21, and you know, YOLO, ain't no games. Shanika, say hi.
Hey.
Yeah, so I'm excited. I feel like this is gonna be the true test of whether I really am a smart person. I'm a really don't like that. I'm just really think I'm smart, but I'm not really smart. Hi.
Hi.
Say hi.
Nice.
Thank you.
What are you doing?
This is my vlog. I'm vlogging.
Hey.
Darren, where are you? Where the hell? What the hell?
Right here.
Guys, say hi. Why not look so mad?
Hi.
Kishono, be nice. Garth, you don't say hi. Say hi.
Oh.
God, no? So we just finished the escape room, and I'm not very proud of myself. I mean, we came out of the room. What was our time?
You guys had like 4 minutes left.
Yeah, it's like 55.
So we did 55 minutes. So we're not so done, because people that are trained to use their brains get the time.
Steve Bounce Back was those kids that did this.
So the kids came out of the room.
They play like a lot of video games on TV, so they're used to like going through things very fast. So I'm saying, don't be hard on yourself. It's a hard room.
It's too late.
The cake been made to it.
The cake done, exactly.
Go, 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 shorty. It's your birthday. We gon' party like it's your birthday.
Okay, we just made it to the second stop. It is at no, like the sun I burn off my skin. So this is the place up here. Well, as far as you can see, is bush. I mean, that's what it is. But that's the place. So the second stop is called Dirt Adventure, and we're gonna go ATVing, dirt biking. God no. So that's what we're doing now. The lighting out here is amazing. Yes, God. So we're gonna get set up, and then I'm gonna try and record while I'm driving. It's gonna be unlikely though, because I can't even regular drive and use my phone. So
I'll do it. I'll do it for you.
as in you record me.
I'll ride in front of you. Oh my God, I hear
You have to
it.
ride behind me.
I'm ready.
Okay, see somebody here. See them there?
We're ready. I'm ready.
I'm not sure, but it looks scary now. It's signs like these. Signs like these that get me worried. Users ride at your own risk. The owners make no warranty of the state of the truck or the vehicles. So basically, the machines themselves can just be trash and you'll just die. But it's okay, there was a sign. So guys, we're suited and ready to go. Showing yourself, my side, showing yourself. Yeah. All right, let's get it.
Go!
When I switch lanes, then them doors swing. Arm out the window screaming money ain't a thing. Call it automatic bang, bang, bang. Call it automatic bang, bang, bang. Robbie switch lanes, diamonds in my chain. Been around the world, all the hoes know my name. Call it automatic bang, bang.
We just finished our 2 tracks around the track. It was fucking awesome. It was awesome. I was low-key scared the entire time, especially after Deron wheel drop off of the ATV. Like it just laid at the side.
Unfortunate.
Right? But he's going now, so it's alright.
Yeah.
But that was awesome. This thing plus that helmet, sweat fest. Zine. The Pashanika ear, like your hair is wet.
It is. And it's itchy.
So Kishana and Deron going now because one of the bikes weren't starting when we were here. And then Deron on mash up, so they had to wait until we finish. So yeah. It was cool though. So after this we go on a ride up the hill, which should be super hard. I can't even imagine how hard that shit is, but it should be fun. So we're gonna do. So we just finished ATV. Oh, we just finished ATV. Everybody's dead ass tired because the suit was so hot.
I'm not tired.
Everybody else is dead ass tired because it's so hot. So we'll come to get food and go to the beach here at Margaritaville. So we're going to eat here, and they have there's a beach and a pool here and slides and all that, so we're going to do all of it here. Yes, but we're starving. We only like eat chips and stuff from morning. Into the beach. Hi friends. Everybody's just, oh, Shannon gave me a wave. That's surprising. Kishana smiled. She tried so hard. She tried so hard.
You know I'm trying so hard. I'm so happy, you know.
Oh shit. And this is the beach with the little lounge chairs, and they have like little signs. I like how colorful the place is. I've never actually been to Margaritaville, so stay with me with my little friend. So the food came. I got escabeche fish. Shanika got mahi. She got some fish burger, blue cheese burger, and black and chicken burger. Yeah, it does. So let's see. Shanika just drink one margarita. See?
Not even a whole one.
Not even a whole one. She's ready to go where. See, look how much left back. And she's like, yo guys, I'm done. Like, you just need to like. Shanika, where you going? Wait, what's happening? We have to change and go in the water. Make sure you don't sleep in the water.
Like, I need the man to bring the water come so I can drink it. Because this is crazy.
She don't like room temperature water.
It's gonna make me feel bad.
You sure you okay?
Yes, I'm fine. Like, this is not amusing, guys.
It is. Come, take a video. After we finish eating, there was no way we're going to the beach, so we didn't. So we're gonna go to the beach tomorrow. So road trip extended to another day. Woo! Excitement. So we're just paying the bill and going home now because all of us are drained. After we ate, it was just like we're just exhausted. So we're heading home. We're gonna pay our bills, then we go home. It's about after 10, and we're just reaching from the road trip, and it's probably the most spontaneous thing I've ever done. And spontaneous for me is I haven't been planning it for 10 years. So I think about Thursday we started planning it, and then we went on Saturday. So that's spontaneous for me. It was nice. I mean, after the ATV, everybody was like super drained and tired. But I mean, we went to Margaritaville. We never end up go beach. We never end up go in the water. By the time we don't eat and we don't talk and thing, it was like nighttime. But it was a good day. I'm really happy I did it. I always try to not do things on my birthday, because I find that whenever like, oh, I'm doing this on my birthday, I'm doing this on my birthday, birthday's gonna be awesome, is when my birthday sucks because it never goes according to plan. So this kind of like last minute plan. I mean, granted, all my friends didn't get to go because it was last minute, but I think it turned out good. It was nice. From the Puzzle-It to the ATVs to Margaritaville, it was nice. And I got a free shot also because I told them it was my birthday. This is the end of the vlog, guys. I hope you guys enjoyed coming along with me on my road trip, my birthday road trip, and I'll see you guys in the next upload. Bye.